Hi everyone, today's video is going to be an update on my Disney 101 Project Pan Blitz. I love this project, it's my favorite. So previously I'd used up 2 items, so I was working on 8 because every week, or excuse me, not every week, that'd be a little insane. Every month I add in 5 more items no matter how many I finished up. So like I said, I already had 2 finished and I did go ahead and finish a 3rd. This was for the movie Snow Dogs, I believe. Sorry, gotta pull out my Word document. There we go. Yes, this was for the movie Snow Dogs, and it's the Tarte Smooth Operator Finishing Powder. I did like this. I like a white setting powder, especially to go under my eyes, and this was really good. So, this is all gone. So, I still have 7 items left, and I'm just going to go in order. So, first I have the Prestige, and for that movie, I chose YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. I was about up here, and I'm about halfway done. I don't do marks on my makeup anymore. I used to, but I just don't like the way it looks. Like, it doesn't make me happy to look at, so I don't. I do weights. So last time I had 137 grams, and now I have 131 grams. So I have used up 6 grams of product, and like I said, it was about there, and now it's here. It's not straight, obviously, but we got some use out of it. Next, for the Chronicles of Narnia Prince Caspian. We had a little bit of an issue. Last time, I think I may have started to hit pan, I'm not sure. But I chose the Pixi Beauty Blush Duo in the shade Rose Gold, and it broke. And I knew it was gonna break, and I kind of said that last time. Now, there is still some product around the edges, and I do have it on today. I've just kind of been mixing the two. So now I'm just gonna try to use up everything, including this little guy, this little pink guy, because it doesn't really do that much to me. Like I said, I do have this highlighter on today. I like it. And I think I can have this finished by next month, because it is so little. And I will count it as an empty, even though it did break, but I used a lot of it before it broke, and I'm still going to finish it up. Excuse me. And that went from 4 grams to 19, so it lost 5 grams. Next, we have the movie Dumbo, and for that, I have the Sonia Kashuk nail color. Before, it was above the S, and now it is like halfway through the word Sonia, as you can tell. It is the color I have on my, well, not on this nail. I just got this color last night. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's by Essence, but it's the silver that's on my nails. And this went from 47 grams to 46 grams, so it lost a gram, or I used up a gram of product. Next, we have for Judge Dredd, and I have the Maybelline Masterfix setting spray. I feel like this is like down to here. I definitely think I'll have this finished next month. And for this guy, it went from 97 grams to 69 grams, so that's what, 28 grams of usage, so that's pretty dang good. I use it every day to set my face, and I like it a lot. Next, we have, for the Sword in the Stone, I chose the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects Lipstick in the shade White Lie. I do have it on today over this hot pink, and I like the way it looks. I feel like it's kind of spooky. I've used it once. I don't know. It's white, so it's hard to see. So you can see it's got some use. I probably would say there's like maybe 2 uses left, 1 or 2 uses left. So I'm going to try to have this finished by next month as well. I use this pink most days, so I don't usually put something over it, but I like the way this looks. It's a little much, especially just considering I'm just going to school today, but you know, why not? Next up, we have the Breakfast of Champions, which I still haven't seen. And for that, I have the Measurable Difference Concealer Collection, and I chose the shade Milk Chocolate, which I use as a cream contour. I hit pan. I have a lot of usage out of this. It's hard to get out with my finger now. That's how I usually use it, is just put my finger in it. So I have a brush that I think will work, but it's got a lot of use. And I would say I probably have a month, maybe 2 months left. So that's exciting. I think I'll have some empties next month. I had an empty this month. Oh, I have one more. Oops. Casanova, I believe. Yes. And for that, I chose the Poco Rabone 1 Million perfume. I did not get that much use out of it. Can you see? I think you can. So it was near the top, and now it's right there. Still got a lot left. I feel like it's weird. I don't know if it's the pressure. I'm not a physicist. Yeah, physicist. I don't study physics that much. I know a little bit. I took it in undergrad. But when I try to dab it on my skin, sometimes it doesn't really come out. So I think that's part of why. I do like the scent of it. I think it's really nice for this time of year. But I didn't get as much use as I was hoping. So I don't know when I'll finish that up. So that's it. That's what I had last time. So I'm working on 7 items. But either way, I'm going to add in 5 more. So I have my list of all Disney movies thanks to the D23 website. So there's 736. I have already added the Nutcracker of the Four Realms, but they did not put on Venom. And if I'm not mistaken, Venom has come out, and it's a Marvel movie. And they usually do add Marvel movies. Like they have Ant-Man and the Wasp, the Black Panther, Thor Ragnarok. So I'm a little, I think it's a little strange. Maybe they'll add it later. But it's not on there, so I can't draw it. But either way, I'm going to have 1 to 736. If I'm working on an item and I pull that, like if I'm working on if I pull Dumbo again, because I'm already working on it, then I'll just redraw. But even if I've already used it, if I don't have an item I'm currently working on with that title, I'll get one. That's what I'm trying to say. Not very eloquently. 421. So that's a newer movie. It is from 1999, and it is Rushmore. So this is also a Touchstone movie, and Disney bought Touchstone. So, Mount Rushmore has people's faces on it. It's gray. I've never seen the movie Rushmore. But this has a face on it, but I've already got a highlighter in it. So maybe this will take a long time to use up. So I kind of don't want to pull. I'm sorry, you can't even see it. I kind of don't want to pull it, but it works, so whatever. I'm going to pull it. This is the Besame Cosmetics Snow White Cream Blush, and it doesn't really have a shade. It is Snow White, so it is Disney makeup anyway. I've got a little bit of usage out of it, not that much, but it's got a face, and so I just use this cream blush every day, and we'll see what happens. Well, not every day, I say that, but on the weekends, I do not use my Project Pan makeup. I use whatever makeup I want, unless I'm traveling, and then I use Project Pan makeup, so just so you know. So that's one, Rushmore. My second new item, generate 664. So that's near the bottom. Hey, Kinga. 664. Frankenweenie! It's a Dollskin one! Come here, King! It's a Dollskin movie! She was like right here, and now that I'm trying to get her, she just has no interest. This is a Tim Burton movie, and I really like it, and it's really cute. It's about a dachshund, and he comes back to life. People always know a dachshund, but he thinks he is. So that's really cute. So I don't have any Kanga makeup. I wish I did. Frankenstein is green. Frankenweenie is not, but Frankenstein is green. So I'm gonna go with this. I've panned this a few times. You can see there's not that much left. It's this green concealer. I really like it. So I don't know, that's got like 2-ish months left because it's only green concealer. I don't use it if I don't need it. I just use it to cover up my redness. So there we go. Green concealer. My third item for this month. Let's draw. Generate. 690. Another newer movie. Alexander in the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day. I have not seen that either. It makes me want to draw something I don't love. Terrible, no good, horrible, very bad day. That's kind of bad, right? So maybe I'll pull, this guy. This is the Tarantino Dollskin Eye Primer, and I don't love it. I just don't think it's that great. I don't feel like it keeps my eye shadow on as well as I'd like. So I'll pull that guy. That makes sense to me, right? Makes sense to you. There we go. So, generate another movie. 491. No, I already skipped it. That is a movie from 2002, and it's Signs. It's another Touchstone movie. Isn't that the one with the weird crop circles? And it's kind of spooky. I don't like scary movies, and I feel like that one looked a little scary for me. I think that's the crop circle movie. Is it the crop circle movie? I don't know. Crop circles are green. I always think of them in a cornfield. Corn's yellow. I have no idea. Okay, so corn's yellow. This is yellow. So I'm going to grab my Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara. If it's not the Signs movie, oops. But there we go. Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara, yellow for corn. There we go. And that one I think I should, I've been using it for a while. I have it on today, so I'm thinking hopefully I can have that gone within a couple of months, like a month or two. And the last one is 596. $5.96 is Beverly Hills Chihuahua. I've never seen that movie. It talks. It's like the Taco Bell dog. No, they don't have the Taco Bell dog anymore, but they used to have the Taco Bell dog. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So it's Blitzy. It's like boom, 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 boom. Something bougie and fancy, because that's what I think of when I think of Beverly Hills Chihuahua. Though, to be honest, I don't think of Beverly Hills Chihuahua that often. This is gonna be challenging. It's also got a dog, but I don't, besides the Clover palette, I don't really have a dog thing. And that would be good for it, because Clover is a Chihuahua. But I'm already panning an eyeshadow palette, and I don't really necessarily want to pull in another one. This is the Clover palette. No, I don't, like, it would work, and it would probably be the best thing I own, but I don't really want to do an eyeshadow. Not at this point. Okay, so not an eyeshadow. Let's think. Something glitzy and fancy and sparkly. I could do a glitter, though those will take forever to use up. I could do a glitter, or like a sparkly eyeliner. I'm looking down at my eyeliners. What do y'all think? I don't know, y'all. This is hard. Though I just did a video about makeup I'm scared to pan. I posted it last night, and sparkly eyeliner is one of those. So maybe not a sparkly eyeliner. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, this is kind of lame. I'm sorry, it's kind of lame, but Chihuahuas are brown. So I'm gonna go with this small brown eyeliner. It's by Sonia Kashuk. The lid, like, it smushes the top. But this is the eye definer in Plummy Bronze. It's a brown liner. Chihuahuas are brown. Or like the Beverly Hills Chihuahuas are brown. So there we go. And I hopefully can use that up in a couple months. So then, right now, I will be painting 12 items. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this project. I've had so much fun doing it. I definitely think I'm gonna have some empties next month, which is always good, because no matter how many I use up, I'll be adding 5 more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions, requests, suggestions, comments, go ahead and leave those down below, and I'll just see you real soon. Bye.